Life is not always perfect. Minsan magulo, minsan mabigat, and minsan parang paulit-ulit na lang. Pero kung hihinto ka sandali, magtitimpla ng moringa ay coffee habang pinagmamasdan ng mundo. Doon mo makikita kung gaano kaganda ang nasa paligid mo. Yung simpleng umaga na may tahimik na hangin, yung ngiti ng mga taong nasa paligid mo, yung konting progress na nakikita mo sa sarili mo. Kahit hindi nakikita ng iba. Yung tawa na bigla na lang sumasabog kahit pagod ka na. Life is beautiful not because everything is easy, but because every day it gives you another chance. Another chance to start again, to grow again, to love again, and to believe again. Kaya kung nasa point ka ngayon na nagdududa sa sarili mo, hinga ng malalim and look around. You're still here. You're still fighting. You're still becoming someone stronger. So keep pushing forward.